What's that? What's with the snowstorm that never happened? Holy, these Bloomberg lands on it. There'll be a snowstorm! Hey, how you doing, man? Never happened. Holy jeez. Friggin'. Because when it happens, they cancel everything on the radio. You notice that? Everything is canceled. Everybody calls up. Catherine's Quilting Club. She's gonna freaking call the other two people. Like, come on. She's gonna yell out a freaking window. Ethel, we're canceled tonight. Tell Joan. Ethel's like, Joan, we're canceled tonight. On the radio. True story. I'm at home. I hear on the radio. The provincial anger management meeting is canceled tonight. You know some bastard technician going, fuck! Shit! I know that's what's happening. There's shit you shouldn't put on the radio. PEI is beautiful though. I've been living here for like about 14 years now and I just love it, man. Just so laid back. I was sitting in church about 2 weeks ago. This guy, about 19 years old, 2 pews ahead of me, starts rolling a joint in church. I was so freaking shocked I almost spilled my beer. I was like, oh! All over my freaking track pants too.